Welcome to Pretty Advice Designs. In this video, we showcase the 15 hottest modern home exterior trends, discover how to achieve a sleek, contemporary look with innovative materials, smart design, and minimalist aesthetics. Perfect for anyone planning a new modern build or a stylish renovation. Trend number 1. Sustainable and eco-friendly exteriors. This trend is all about designing with a conscience. Homeowners are embracing materials and features that reduce environmental impact without compromising style. Think discreet solar shingles that blend right into the roofline. Reclaimed wood, composite panels, recycled metal cladding, and porcelain slabs are all on the rise. These materials not only lower your carbon footprint, they also enhance durability and energy efficiency. Whether your style is rustic or ultra-modern, eco-conscious design is becoming the new standard in exterior architecture. Trend number 2. Moody elegance and dark exteriors. This is where color meets drama. Deep, saturated tones like charcoal, matte black, forest green, and rich brown are taking center stage, not just on trims but across entire facades. These hues create a grounded, refined, and quietly luxurious look. You'll see them on modern farmhouses, contemporary cabins, and even industrial-style builds. Paired with black-framed windows and matte black hardware, this style feels bold, elegant, and timeless. Number 3 is all about making a statement with your front door. Bold front door colors are incredibly popular, serving as a vibrant, eye-catching focal point that reflects your personality. Contemporary designs feature clean lines, matte finishes, and modern smart locks. Popular shades include vibrant teal, earthy terracotta, deep navy, and classic red or forest green. It's an accessible way to inject personality and boost curb appeal instantly. Trend number 4. Dusty blues. Cool, calm, and unexpectedly chic. These muted, tranquil hues bring a soft, coastal energy without the brightness of traditional blue. It's a modern twist on a timeless shade. Perfect for coastal homes, modern cottages, and updated colonial styles. Dusty blues pair beautifully with crisp white trim, natural stone accents, and brushed metal finishes. One standout color to consider? Waterloo by Sherwin-Williams. Subtle, serene, and full of character. Trend number 5. Terracotta tones. Rich, warm, and boldly inviting. These earthy hues bring depth, elegance, and a sense of timeless warmth to any home exterior, perfect for Southwestern and Mediterranean-inspired designs. Terracotta tones shine on stucco walls and desert modern builds. Pair them with bronze window trim, textured stone, and lush green landscaping for maximum impact. A beautiful example of this palette, Subdued Sienna by Sherwin-Williams. Bold, grounded, and effortlessly sophisticated. Trend number 6. Mixed materials and textures. This trend embraces contrast, blending materials to create dynamic, visually rich exteriors. Think horizontal lap siding paired with vertical panels, or sleek metal accents set against warm wood. Even stone cladding beside smooth, modern siding. The key is layering texture and material. It brings depth, character, and a high-end custom-built feel to any modern home. Trend number 7. Large windows and transparency. This trend is all about blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. Expansive windows, full-height glass panels, and sleek glass entry doors bring in natural light and open up your view. Features like sliding glass walls and bifold doors can completely open living spaces to the outside. And trimless windows give a clean, minimalist finish that keeps the focus on the view. It's about connection, light, and the feeling of limitless space. Trend number 8, vertical siding applications. For a fresh and contemporary edge, vertical siding creates a clean, modern, and minimalist look. It's a striking alternative to traditional horizontal layouts and works beautifully across a variety of architectural styles. Vertical siding draws the eye upward, adding visual height and sophistication. Popular materials include natural wood and fiber cement, and it can also be combined with horizontal siding for added texture and contrast. Trend number 9. Modern roofing styles, where function meets aesthetics. Today's roofs do more than protect, they define the home's architectural character. Standing seam metal roofs in finishes like matte black and bronze are especially popular. They offer a sleek, modern look and outstanding durability. Hip roofs are also gaining attention for their clean geometry and superior wind resistance, making them both stylish and structurally smart. It's a holistic approach to roofing that blends form and function. Even garage doors are getting a design upgrade. Trend number 10, minimalist garage doors, transforming a functional necessity into a bold, modern statement. These doors feature sleek, understated designs with clean lines that perfectly match contemporary architecture. We're seeing materials like frosted glass and black aluminum for a sharp, modern edge. Wood-paneled styles in warmer natural tones bring texture and organic warmth to minimalist homes. It's not just about curb appeal, it's about making every element of the exterior feel intentional, cohesive, and beautifully designed. Trend number 8, vertical siding applications. For a fresh and contemporary edge, vertical siding creates a clean, modern, and minimalist look. It's a striking alternative to traditional horizontal layouts and works beautifully across a variety of architectural styles. Vertical siding draws the eye upward, adding visual height and sophistication. Popular materials include natural wood and fiber cement, and it can also be combined with horizontal siding for added texture and contrast. This trend is all about setting the mood, layered and smart outdoor lighting. This approach combines multiple types of lighting to create ambiance, ensure safety, and highlight your home's best features. Think low-level step lights guiding your walkway, pendant lights strung through trees, and warm wall sconces framing the entry. Add in smart technology, and you've got lighting that adapts to your evening, whether it's a dinner party, a quiet night on the patio, or just welcoming you home. It's not just lighting, it's atmosphere on demand. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Pretty Advice Designs for more home inspiration, and let us know in the comments which trend is your favorite. See you next time!